material used was,
Sorry, you can continue.
yes, sir. The objects are a curtain, a sports dress, a rug, a sari, a doormat, and a lunch bag. The material used for a curtain was silk. So the source was natural fiber, and the material used for a sports dress is nylon, which is an artificial fiber, and the material used for a rug is cotton, which is a natural fiber, and the material used for a sari is silk, which is a natural fiber, and the material used for a doormat is a polyester. It is an artificial fiber, and the material used for a lunch bag is a jute, which is a natural fiber.
Good. But in the sports dress also you'll use the polyester, okay? It cannot be
Okay,
completely
sir.
nylon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what about another homework?
Sir, I searched that cotton plant in YouTube, sir.
Okay. So have you seen how the cotton cultivation is going on?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then what is the third homework?
Sir, is to take a cloth and untie and take a thread from the cloth and see whether you can get the fiber or not.
Okay. So have you done that one?
Yes, sir.
So what about the Sri Harsha?
Sir, I done the homework, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what you have done?
Sir, I took some pieces of clothes and some pieces of thread in some cloth and to find the fabric, and I searched the cotton plant, and I took some cutting and cloth, and took some different types of clothes,
Okay.
and I checked which cloth is which fabric.
Okay. Then that's all.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different types of cloths you have taken?
So cotton 3/4, one sweater,
Okay.
one traditional shirt, I mean silk shirt,
Okay.
and a silk curtain,
Hmm.
and pillow covers, sir.
Pillow cover.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the different types of fibers you found in that?
So in the 3/4, or it's cotton, sir, and it's additional just a silk, sir, and the curtains are silk. The pillow covers is cotton, sir.
Okay. Then what about another homework? Have you seen the video of the cotton plantation? Cotton cultivation,
Yes,
sorry?
sir.
Yes. Then is it clear that cotton is in white in color only?
Yes, sir.
Still any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one we have studied about how the cotton is grown in the fields. What is the cotton ball? And what is the staple fiber? What is the filament fiber? What is the filament fiber?
The fibers that are long are known as the filament fibers.
Fibers?
that are long.
Yeah, generally filament fibers are the fibers which are coming from the, which will say as a artificial fiber, right? And that are long.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So again, fibers is divided into two types: natural fibers and the man-made fibers.
Man-made
Fibers.
fibers.
So first one, natural fibers again into two types. One is a
Animal
animal
and
Animals and the
natural
plants.
plants. So animals is the wool and the silk, and the plants are the cotton,
cotton and linen.
linen, or the jute. You can say jute also.
And the coir.
Coir, hemp. So many are there again. Man-made fibers,
The rayon, polystone,
Rayon,
nylon, acrylics,
nylon.
etc.
Okay. So already discussed about these images: flask, jute, coir, hemp, cotton. Yes.
So you didn't told about hemp and coils,
Yeah,
hemp coil and flax.
I will explain you all detailed way. Okay, what is a cotton? What is a jute? What is the cultivation of these? So one by one we'll discuss in the next step. Okay. Today we'll discuss about the cotton, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll discuss about the jute like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next one is the artificial fibers. What is the meaning of biodegradable?
Means it cannot. It can be decomposed in the soil.
It can be decomposed in the soil with the help of the microorganisms. So artificial fibers are biodegradable or non-biodegradable?
They are
Non-biodegradable.
non-biodegradable.
Good. They are non-biodegradable. So you can see as a 4 different types of artificial fiber on the screen: nylon, rayon, polyester, and the terling. So which one is called as an artificial silk?
As that this machine
Rayon.
made or man.
Rayon. Rayon is known as the artificial
Rayon.
silk.
Rayon is known as a artificial silk because it has a shiny surface, right? So it will reflect the sun rays. Which one will have the high strength, natural fibers or artificial fibers?
Artificial fibers.
Artificial fibers.
Generally, artificial fibers will have the high strength and low absorption capacity, right? It will absorb very less amount of water. Artificial fibers. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
which cloth is comfortable to wear in the summer season? Cotton cloth. Or
Cotton.
The
polyester?
cotton cloths. Cotton.
Why cotton?
Because they will absorb sun, they will reflect the sunlight.
Because they will.
Reflect the sunlight.
Okay. So generally, cotton cloths are natural fibers, right? So it
Yes,
will
sir.
absorb the sweat from the body and it will keep us the cool itself, right? It will not increase the temperature of the body.
Yes.
Then discussed about the rayon in the last class also. Lustrous. What is the use of rayon?
The rayon is used in home furnishing, the medical surgical products, and it is used to create the clothing.
Clothing, sportswear, dresses will use the rayons. Okay.
And it is made up by a chemical called cellulose.
Yeah. So it is made up of chemical collagen, cellulose. So cotton is also made up of.
Cellulose.
Then what about the wool?
Keratin.
Good. Wool is from the
Keratin.
keratin. Then we'll discuss about today about the nylon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the nylon? Nylon is a thermoplastic in nature. So it is an artificial fiber which is thermoplastic in nature. Then what is the meaning of thermoplastic?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
So even don't know.
See, thermoplastic means Do you know plastic, right? Plastic materials.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simply, if you heat the thermoplastic materials, it will become
Hello,
soft. Yeah. Ashwath Reddy, good
Sir.
evening.
Sir, I just joined now.
Yeah.
What did I miss anything, sir?
No, I didn't miss much of the things. Just now we have started the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the next last 10 minutes, I will explain you again all the things. Okay. Don't worry. Ashwath,
Okay, sir.
turn on your video, Ashwath. Okay. So I'll explain you again in the last 10 minutes. I will revise again all the concepts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thermoplastic means the substance which will become soft on heating. Okay. If you cool the substance, it will become again hard. Understanding?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you want to change from one form of a substance to other form of substance, what we will do? We'll heat the substance and we'll make into the other form. That is the meaning of thermoplastic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
nylon is a thermoplastic in nature, which means when it is heated, it becomes soft and can be reshaped into any other shape or remolded into any other shape. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So nylon is made up of what? Nylon is made from the
Coal and
coal and
petroleum.
Heating
petroleum,
thermoplastic.
petroleum products. So nylon is made from the coal and petroleum products. That's why it is called as in what name? Miracle.
Miracle fiber.
So nylon is called as an
Miracle fiber.
miracle fiber. So what about the rayon? What about the rayon?
Sir, rayon. It is an artificial silk
It is an artificial silk. Nylon is called as an miracle fiber.
fiber.
So nylon thread is very, very strong. Understanding? If you prepare the thread with the help of the nylon material, it will be very strong.
So that's why they will use the thread to make the kites, sir.
No, not for the kites and all. We'll use in the parachutes or the ropes. Kites require only normal thread, right?
So manja they will use nylon only, sir.
Yeah, manja is okay. If you say manja, it is okay. Okay. So like ropes, parachutes, tie cords, mosquito nets, or fishing nets will prepare with the help of the nylon material. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
require the
sir.
strong ropes, right, during the parachutes.
Yes, sir.
So basketball nets. Have you seen this one? What is this?
It's a basketball net.
So badminton nets, also badminton wire also there, right? It's also made up of nylons.
Sir, once can you
Yeah, sorry. Somebody asked it doubt, right? Once, can you?
Sir, yes, sir. Okay, can you go scroll it up, sir? I'll take a screenshot.
Okay, I will scroll that one. I will give you a chance in the last 10 minutes. Okay, Ashwath.
Okay, sir.
Okay, last 10 minutes we'll discuss about that. So understand what is a nylon? Nylon is an artificial fiber.
It's called as miracle thread.
It is also called as a miracle fiber. It is made from the coal and
Petroleum.
Coal and
petroleum
petroleum.
products. So nylon is also example of thermoplastic nature. So what is the meaning of thermoplastic?
Thermoplastic is a substance which we heat it becomes softer and which we cool it will become into hard.
Okay. Today's your homework is what is thermoplastic and what is thermosetting? Find out the difference between these two. Okay. Ashwath?
Sir, you didn't told about thermosetting, sir.
Yeah. So that's why I'm giving you homework
Sir,
today.
I didn't understand.
Sir, I didn't understand the class, so can you send it in the channel, sir, the YouTube channel, sir?
Okay. So just I will explain again. I will revise for you in the last 10 minutes after the video session. Okay. We have small video in the second half, last 20 minutes. Ashwath, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Ashwath, just you can turn on your video first. Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You can turn on your video.
Sir, there is a power cut, sir, so I will not be visible, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem then. So just now we have started the class from the nylon itself, Ashwath. So whatever the topics are there above nylon, I will explain you, okay? Again, we will revise along with these two. So rayon, what is the natural fibers, artificial fibers, I will explain you, okay? And you will find the same notes in the Google Classroom, in the class 6.
Sir, in Google Classroom.
Yeah,
Sir, I don't have Google Classroom, sir.
okay, we will find out where I will inform the sir to create an account for you, okay? Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yesterday only we started this chapter, like a fiber to fabrics. What is a fiber? What is a fabric? So what are the different classification of fiber and all? Okay, I'll explain in the last minutes. Again, it will be revision for these two candidates also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So nylon is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what
sir.
is what is your
Yes,
homework? What is homework? First homework. What is
Sir?
thermoplastic and what is the thermosetting is the homework for you.
Yes, sir.
And find out the examples of these two. I want you to write down in your notes whatever the homework I am giving for you. You should write down in your notes only. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Jay, again I'll check your notes tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So nylon material is a very strong material, so it will have the high strength. So it is helpful in the preparation of the ropes or parachutes, tire cords, mosquito nets, and the tents. Okay. Now I want any one of you to explain what is this picture represents.
Sir, early
Sir,
humans.
tribal people, I think so.
Good. Okay, can you explain that? What is it? So what is the
In the
difference?
Sir, they're wearing leaves as clothes.
Okay.
and animal skin.
Okay. So in the olden days or in ancient days, we don't have the machines to prepare the cloths, right? There is no technology to prepare the cloths.
Yes, sir.
So nowadays, we have so many machines are there, power looms are there. You have good technology, how to convert from fiber to the fabrics. But in olden days, they will use either leaves or barks of the tree or the animal skin to cover their bodies. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are called as primitive human beings. So we should wear the leaves or animal skins to cover their body. But once we go on stage by stage, now we are wearing the complete clothes. Yes? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is a yarn?
Yeah. Yes,
Sir, we
See,
use
one thing I'll tell
yarn
you.
to make clothes,
First,
sir.
cotton is there. Cotton seeds. Suppose if you take cotton cloth. So first cotton seeds will sow in the ground. Then it will become as a cotton plant. Afterwards, what will happen?
Then, sir, then the cotton will come, sir.
Then cotton balls will be formed.
Cotton ball, sir.
So cotton
Then
balls will be based on the cotton plant. Afterwards, these cotton balls will
Sir,
burst.
Sir, then we will separate the cotton seeds from the cotton, sir.
Yeah. So these cotton balls will burst. Then it will get the cotton. Then after this cotton, we will process the cotton, right? Processing of cotton will be done. Then after this, what will happen? So you get the fiber first. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So if you take the 2 or 3 fibers and twist it properly, you will get the yarn.
Yarn.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understanding the process, complete process, how the cotton we are getting, cotton fabric we are getting from the cotton plants. Ashwath,
Okay, sir.
Jaydeep,
Okay, sir.
okay, Harsha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then what we'll do, we'll take the yarn in two different directions, right? One is in the horizontal, another one is in the
And vertical.
Vertical, sir.
So interlace these two yarns to make the one proper cloth. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Sir,
called
for
an-
that they will keep so much closely, sir.
yeah, this thing is done by the handloom industry or powerloom industry. So we'll discuss that one by one. Okay. So first we are in the stage of yarn. What is a yarn?
When the threads are
The thread
when the
which
threads
was made of fibers is called as an yarn. Understanding? Means yarns are made up of number of fibers twisted together. What is the meaning of twisted together?
Ma'am,
joined
sir,
together.
Yeah.
sir, when we take two yarns and twist them, sir, like
Generally yarns are very thin, right? Which will break easily.
yes, sir.
Suppose if you are taking the group of or two or three yarn, two fibers, we'll test them completely. So it will make up some thick thread. Yes or no? If you take single fiber, it is very delicate, which will break easily.
Yes.
Suppose if you are taking the two or three fibers and making the thick rope, thick thread, that is called as an yarn. Understanding? So what is a yarn?
Yes, sir.
Yarn are made up of number of fibers that are twisted
Twisted
together.
together.
That are twisted together. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why we cannot take directly fibers? Because fibers are very thin and small and cannot be made into fabrics directly. Understanding? Fibers are thin and small and delicate. That's why we cannot make directly fiber to the fabric. First we will convert fiber to the yarn. From yarn to the fabric will do. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So first they are converted to the yarns which are longer, thicker and stronger. So what is this process? Hello,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir. We are there.
Sorry for the network interruption is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So wait a minute, please. Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. So the process of making yarns from the fiber is called as what?
Sir, we cannot see the screen.
Cannot see the screen.
Yes, sir. We cannot see it. Now we can see it, sir.
Now you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the process of
Yes, sir.
spinning?
The process of making the yarns into the into the fabrics is known as the spinning.
The process of making the yarns from the fibers is called as in spinning. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, so with the, can you see this images?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this one chakra anywhere before?
Sir, in the olden days,
Yes, sir.
Is this?
So who is famous for chakra? The olden
Sir,
days?
Gandhi.
Good.
Mahatma Gandhi, sir.
Mahatma Gandhi. So you can see the Mahatma Gandhi pictures with the chakra, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with the help of the chakras also you can make converts from fiber to the yarn.
Sir, and the takli is a traditional device used for spinning the yarn from wool and cotton.
Yeah. So this is the first one is a takli. Second one is a chakra. What about the third one? There is a spinning machine.
Okay, sir.
So you can see the spinning machine, right? So with the help of the spinning machine, you can convert the, or you can do the fast process fast compared to the chakra and the takli. Can you see the spinning machine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is clear what is the yarn now? Any doubts?
Yes. No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Then we'll move to the yarn to the fabrics. First stage is what? Converting from fiber to the yarns, then yarn to the fabrics. How you will do yarn to fabrics? I already explained you here, right?
Sir, by joining together a group of yarns.
No, by interlacing, we'll say as a interlacing process. Interlacing. So we'll take the two different types of, we'll take the two yarns and we'll interlace each other at the right angle to each other. Understanding? Can you see this study chair?
Yes, sir.
So one we are taking in the horizontal way. Wait 1 minute. So if you see here, this is a one type of yarn. Okay. What about this one?
It is the another type of yarn.
Okay. So when you interlace these two, what will happen? You will get some fabric, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll take the two different yarns and we'll interlace these two yarns at a right angle to each other. So in that way, that is called as a weaving. What is the weaving?
The process of interlacing two yarns.
The process of interlacing two set of yarns at right angle to each other to form the fabric is called as an weaving. Understand? The process of interlacing of yarns at right angle to each other. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
This is a one yarn and this is another yarn. This is a right angle, right? You know what is the right angle, acute angles?
Sir, right angle is 90 degrees, sir.
Yeah, good. Right angle is 90 degrees.
Acute angle is less than 90 degrees and obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees.
Good. Now understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you are interlacing the two yarns at right angle to each other, that process is called as an weaving. So today we discussed two important terms. One is the spinning, another one is the weaving. So weaving can be done either by hand looms or by power looms. So what is the meaning of hand looms?
Sir,
Done by the
which
hand.
are done with a hand, and power looms are which we operate.
So hand looms means manually operated, right? Manually operate that machines. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of the manpower, we'll do the weaving process. Power loom means with the help of the machines we'll do. Understanding? So which one is the faster process? Either hand loom industry or power loom industry?
Power loom industry.
Power loom industry is somewhat faster, right? Sorry, faster than the hand loom industry because with the help of the machines we'll do the weaving process. In the case of hand loom, with the help of the human beings or with the help of the men, we'll do the weaving process. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So what is this?
Hand loom machine.
Hand loom machine. or power loom? It's a power loom machine, right? It's a power loom machine. Okay, it's not a hand loom. Okay. Any doubts up to this? What is the
No,
takli? What is a cherka? Check. What is a spinning machine? What is a yarn? So what are the different terms to discuss it today?
sir, how do we use this takli, sir?
So I will show you one video, okay, in next class, how we will use the takli to prepare the fiber to the yarn. Okay, Harsha.
Okay, sir.
So what are the
Sir,
different
in the
terms?
last class, you discussed the fiber to fabric, sir.
Yeah. So there's a chapter completely fiber to fabrics. In the last class, I explained only about the basics. What is a natural fiber? What is artificial fiber? These things we discussed in the last class. So what is a rayon in that? So these things only we discussed in the last class. So what are the different terms we learn today first?
Sir, about the nylon and
Nylon,
how
Sir,
how the yarn
thermoplastic.
is formed.
thermoplastic,
How
Yeah,
the yarn is
about
formed.
about the
yarn. How
yarn.
yarn is made.
Okay, about the yarn or how the yarn is prepared from the fiber. Next,
And about the spinning process.
spinning and the
Weaving.
weaving. So these are the important vocabulary we discussed in the today's class. It is also important. Okay, you have to remember this one. Suppose if somebody will come and ask you what is the spinning process, you should answer directly. Okay. Any doubts in these 5?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Ashwath? Are you there, Ashwath?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in these 5?
No, sir.
No.